Hello. Hey Jim, how's it going? Yeah, we could definitely go with that list. Hold on, let me find it. Hold on. Hold on, it's right here. Wait, I got it right. I think it's right. Look familiar? Hello there. I'm Dennis and I help entrepreneurs achieve their goals through results. Today I want to talk to you about decluttering. Does your desk look like this? Chances are if your desk looks like this, your email inbox looks like this, and the inside of your brain looks like this. All scattered and lots to do. How do I know this? My desk used to look like this. My email used to look like this. And what I did is 3 simple steps to not only declutter this, but to gain one precious gift back. Time. And I know everyone wants time back. Number 1, brain dump. That's right, we're going to do a brain dump. Just like a dump truck. Basically, we're going to take the whole load and dump it out. And this time we're going to go from your brain to piece of paper. Now, you being the entrepreneur that you are, your thoughts aren't going to fit on one piece of paper. Come on, no way. I got something just for entrepreneurs. Now this is a piece of paper. Go big or go home, right? This is for the entrepreneur brain dump. Basically, I want you to take a pen and a big piece of paper, and I want you to go through and start writing down everything in your brain. And I mean everything, and you're not going to stop. And you're not going to categorize, you're just going to dump out the stuff onto the road. That's all you're doing. Why I say use a pen, I don't want you to erase. If it's not something that's there, cross it out. You wrote something wrong, cross it out. Just put it all down. And now, just like a dump truck, if you've ever seen a dump truck, it doesn't go back in one swoop. What it does, it goes a little bit, dumps a little, then dumps a little, then dumps a little. That's what I want you to do. Write something down, step back, look at it, keep continuing. And do it until everything is out. I don't care what you write down, just write it all down. Once you've done that, next I want you to do is I want you to go through and you're going to start categorizing. Just a big categorize. Maybe 1 could be for business related, 2 is client related, 3 is personal, 4th is health. Whatever your categories are, write them down. And go through one and say, yep, that's the same category, go through all the way down. And however many categories you have at the end, you have it in the end. But basically what you do is you put it all together. That is step number 1, and that you have done a brain dump. Nice job. Step number 2, clean the desk. That's right, clean the desk. This could take hours. Let me give you a tip. Don't just take everything and push it off to the side, because what you do, you move your clutter from here to somewhere else. Basically what you want to do is just like you did with the brain dump, you want to organize. Take things and put them into categories and put them somewhere. The only thing that should be on your desk is some type of computer, whether it's a laptop, desktop, and a phone. If it's something like this, fine. If it's your cell phone, that's it. It's the only 2 things on your desk. Everything else should be cleaned off. Here's a bonus tip. The reason why everything else should be cleaned off, because the only thing going to be on your desk is the task you're working on. So you're just going to have that task. That's it. Everything else is off your desk. That's step 2. Step 3 is prioritize. Take that list and start prioritizing. Now there's a lot of different ways to prioritize. I'll get into that in a little while. But basically what you want to do is you want to figure out what's the most important thing to do. What I always say is, what is the one thing that you have to do today to move your business forward? So one thing, if I only have one thing to do, what is the one thing I can do today that will move my business forward? That's the first thing I am doing every single day. That's my number one priority. And you're going to keep doing that. Now, just because it's on the list does not mean it's a priority. Let me give you an example. I always used to have on my list, I got to write a blog and I got to do a video. And I kept trying to do both. And once I realized when I said was the one most important piece, it always came down to the video and not the blog. I decided, you know what? I can always take the summary of the video and make that the blog and have it go to the video. That's my blog, because whatever I want to say, it's in my video anyways. So I was always constantly writing out, doing blogs, and I never got around to it, and it did frustrate me. Basically, blogs are now no longer on my list, but videos are, and then I can take the summary of the video, put it in a blog, link the video, there's my blog. Now, I could talk to you for hours about how you should prioritize and the steps of prioritizing and collecting data. I have something for you. I have a video series, a 5-day video series that goes through all of those steps that can get you to start figuring out your goals, your priorities, and get them in an order that you want. Liked what you saw today? Please comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you think it's worthwhile sharing to others, please share. Also, subscribe to my video channel. I would really appreciate that. And for more information, check out my website, goalstoresults.com. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.